Commissioner Secretary Katanat Political Department berdapat lu ya ke Council Affairs ke Jelau ba su diwi dingdo ola ong baka mukaddama shidut right kadang don Kashari ban bisyal halo ke jingbu kendon ba ke bayakun ya ke MDC election gidai bandon ke shidut right certificate ka Karohis Autonomous Council ka penmi ya ke hukum dangsian ba ke bayakun ya ke MDC election gidai bandon ke certificate shidut right Mentakasngi u Istanbul Monument UMA barim ka Probari Consensi baru inamul hak kibadai gi Muslim ga Shoh hagi pajba kat badang Thmu balai Thep Kyrteng banyakun jak MDC election sya ka Karohis Autonomous Council kani kelawan ra ka jilang jiman ke bas ke bentut ia ka jiyaj baik ya identik ke election Basilul ang baga soka ka Pynjur Pahara hakarohis hadin ba angut ki Thmu ban Thep Kyrteng ban yakun jak election MDC syaka karohis Autonomous Council ka Shoh aki kenhun jong gibreu Tura mentakasngi ula ong baga soka kadang pankai pot na deputy commissioner ka West Karohis hal kani ke jingjia bad hakajuk apol ong baga election ginyaj bej harba ke jing Thep Kyrteng kan sedang nadu mentakasngi ki pajba karohis ka kersian jaga hukum ka Karohis Autonomous Council batang itu badan scheduled right certificate kini banyak kon jek MDC election katkum bejing ong commissioner secretary katanat this council affairs election kan yaj baik kembalapan benar
A candidate has to produce the ST certificate. Are they authorized?
So, as you are aware, this matter now has gone to the Honorable High Court. It is under the adjudication of the Honorable High Court. This matter has been taken up in the Honorable High Court. So, we are waiting that decision.
Will you be giving more dates for the filing nomination today?
So, today was the first day. The notification, as you know, has come out today. As per the notification, today is the first day of filing nominations. That is between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. And the last date of filing nomination is 16th of March. That is next Monday till 3 p.m.
So how many filed today?
Today none. No candidates have filed. Many, in fact, today have taken the forms, etc. Many of the DCs have had meetings with political parties, etc. and given them the copies of the nomination forms, etc. And all those other things, other processes have happened today.
But there is no plan to postpone the elections?
No, we are assessing the situation. There is no plan as such, So we are looking at it. There's no plan. Situation is being assessed. We are waiting for reports, etc. We will. Heard today's incident. So we had a review with all the DCs, including the DC Tura. We have told the DC to call all the communities, etc., and appeal for peace, have peace committee meetings, and those instructions have been passed out to the DC. We've also, looked at the force requirements, and SPs have asked for a little more force. So accordingly, we will be making those projections. DGP also is appraised of the matter, and more forces will be sent.
So how is the situation? I mean, as the incident itself is, we can tell us what happened.
I think you are aware that one of the candidates went to file the nomination. Person went at about 10 a.m. or something, and the person was prevented from filing the nomination. So this is what has happened. And then this report the DC gave us, we have asked the DC to give us a detailed report as to what exactly transpired today.
Was he assaulted?
There were some reports, yes.
Sir, can